Alright, so for today's content, mga mahal, I want you to focus on someone in your thoughts, in your mind, okay? Someone na wala kayong contact with. Whoever that person is. Whoever that person is. Okay? Let us find out if magkakaroon na ba ng communication between you guys, or what is the next move, if there's next move possible here. That's what we're gonna figure out. I want you to focus while I'm shuffling right here. Think about that specific person for a moment. Visualize that person's face in your mind and set your intentions. What is this person trying to say to me? Will this person contact me? Anong nilalaman ng kanyang isipan? Kanyang damdamin? Muli ba kaming magkakausap? Spirits and angel guides, can you please give us a clear message? What does this person has to say? What does this person has to say with my collective? By the way, my name is Yan. Maraming salamat new subscribers. And sana magstay kayo here. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much para sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Okay, na tayong gender dito at timeless ito. Just take how this resonates with you. Tell me something about this person. Okay, we're good. Let's go ahead and check out. Oh, oh. This person here loves you. So, kung wala man kayong contact ngayon, okay, this is what this person has to say. Okay? So, yeah, no, yung sinabi ko kanina, no, na wala tayong gender dito and just take only what resonates with you. Kung wala man kayong contact rito, mga babes, no, I'm seeing this person here finally stepping up. This person will definitely contact you. Okay? Actually, I'm seeing that this person here, okay, will be sending you, okay, some type of a message. Phone call man yan, or video call, like hindi pa in person. This person will send you a message or either call you using social media platforms, could be any, Messenger, Instagram, IG Direct, or Viber, email might be, any social media online platforms, okay? Or text, tawag, or call. Like, hindi pa muna in person. Okay? So, whoever this individual is, there's a communication coming in. Okay? Natagalan siya because this person right here is telling me, okay, na hindi pa siya dapat na lumapit sa'yo. Kaya hindi pa siya lumalapit sa'yo. It is because inaayos niya rito, no? Yung mga bagay, no, na dapat munang ayusin niya. Yan, no? This person here is actually claiming, okay, na hindi siya naging better person para sa'yo. Hindi niya nagampanan dito yung kanyang role in this type of connection here with you. I repeat, whoever this person is, just take how this resonates. But this person here is telling me na gusto niyang lumapit actually. Okay? And this person is telling me na nagsinungaling siya sa'yo. Okay? That's why this person with the I regret lying to you, this person here will admit it. Aaminin niya sa'yo, no? yung mga kasinungalingan na yon na sinabi niya sa'yo, no? Yan. Okay? Aaminin niya lahat yun sa'yo. Sasabihin niya yung truth sa'yo rito. Yan. Hindi lang siya makalapit, no? Kasi meron siyang mga inaayos na mga bagay, no? Which is, hindi yun yung mga bagay na may kinalaman sa kanya ritong trabaho or personal na life, no? Pero yung nakikita ko rito, yung inaayos niya has something to do with yung mga naapektuhan during, okay, nung time na nagkakaroon rito ng misunderstanding or kaguluhan, no? Or hindi maganda na nangyayaring situation sa inyo before. So, might be yung inaayos niya na yun is yung mga parang naging um, other problems, no, na pwedeng because of other people na involved, inayos niya rito, no? Siguro yung mga informations na misinformations, tinatama niya na this person is making things right here. Nililinis niya muna lahat ng mga bagay na nagulo, okay? Yung mga parang outside na mga situations na nagulo before bago siya rito lumapit sa'yo. And now, this person I'm seeing na mukhang kung ano man yun, kinakain niya na yun, lahat ng mga kasinungalingan na sinabi niya sa'yo, lahat ng mga bagay rito na ginawa niyang hindi maganda sa'yo, involving other people or involving other situations, itinatama niya na yun ngayon. Remember, this is timeless. No? Wala tayong gender dito. Okay? Pwedeng sa iba nangyari na to or lumapit na sa inyo. Sa iba naman, no, is nangyayari na ngayon sa kasalukuyan at sa iba ay hindi pa at isang prediction sa inyong hinaharap. So, this person is telling me right here na hindi siya available, hindi siya nakikipag-contact sa'yo kasi ayaw niyang lumapit sa'yo rito, no? Na hindi niya pa rito nagagawa yung dapat niyang mga ayusin, which is pwedeng yun nga yung mga bagay rito na nakasakit sa damdamin mo, na nakadagdag actually, no, sa mga isipin at damdamin mo noon. So, pwedeng mga kaibigan, no, na nasiraan ka niya, mga family members or relatives dito, no, na nakapagsalita siya sa'yo ng hindi maganda, no, na nag-create rito ng maling impression towards you guys, no. This person actually nililinis niya yun at lilinisin niya yun kung hindi pa man ito nangyayari for others of you. And this person right here, okay, is coming in. Pag may message ito sa'yo, okay, via messenger or any social media platforms, or tatawag siya sa'yo rito. Yun na nakukuha ko rito. Makikipagkita ito sa'yo, no, at nakakita ko rito na talagang magkaharap kayong dalawa. So, pwedeng paunlakan mo talaga ang pag-uusap na ito. High chance nakakausapin mo siya. Okay? Actually, I'm not seeing your energy here, your intention actually, no? So, I do not know. I'm clueless of how you feel. Okay, pag kayo ay nagkita. It's all about this person's thoughts. It's all about this person's feelings and emotions. It's all about this person's what's going on, okay, behind his or her mind. Okay, behind his or her feelings. The emotions are really, okay, transparent. It's clear. Okay, hindi na ito opaque. Diba? So, whatever the case may be, opaque yung parang malabo mga babes, no? Like, literally blurred, hindi na, no? So, nakikita ko, no, itong tao na to, like a see-through. Kitang-kita ko rito na talagang pinagsisisihan niya ang pagsisinungaling, ang mga bagay na nagawa niya rito, okay? So, nakikita ko rito na itong person na to is now available. Alam mo, sinubukan niya, no, with the finding out the truth, crush me. Sinubukan niya rito na papabayaan tong sitwasyon, no? Sinubukan niya rito na mag-move forward sa'yo, no, nakayaan na lang 'to. Alam mo kung may third party rito, isa yun sa mga nililinis at inaalis niya sa buhay niya, okay? I'm getting this person here actually eliminating the energies na tingin niya nagpapagulo rito sa sitwasyon na ito. Yan, no. Alam mo sinubukan niyang iwasan na 'wag na lang pansinin 'tong damdamin niya for you, yan. Sinubukan niya mag-move forward, no, kaya lang it's getting intense and intense and intense every day. Like, habang tumatagal, mas lalo niya itong nararamdaman. Kaya rin natagalan siya rito without contact with you guys. It is because this person is trying to as well avoid his or her feelings towards you. Pero hindi niya talaga. This person cannot help it. This person cannot dismiss you. This person cannot resist you. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Definitely. At saka, with this, I feel you leaving me behind right here. It's like this person here, baka siya ay iyong bulyawan, baka galit ka sa kanya, baka hindi mo na siya tanggapin. Ang dami niyang what ifs sa kanyang thoughts. There's lots of question marks into his or her thoughts right here. Yeah, isa na rin yun sa dahilan kung bakit parang iniwasan ka niya, no? Pero, mas matindi at mas malakas pa rin ang kapit rito 'no, ng pag-pull back ng energy, okay mga babes, nitong person na 'to 'no. Kasi the more na nire-resist niya 'no, na 'wag kang kausapin, the more na nagiging eager dito na ayaw niyang palampasin 'tong chance na ito with you. Lalo siyang naa-attract papunta sa'yo. See, I'm so attracted to you right here. This person is looking forward with this, we will be together again and I will wait for a sign from you. This person here, okay, during the talk, ang communication nito, no, excuse me if I'm clearing my throat, maybe this person here, there's something going on into this person's throat chakra. Yeah, okay, kasi nininervyos siya. Or this person here is having this kind of energy na hindi niya alam kung paano niya ba sisimulan 'tong pag-uusap na 'to. Like, okay, parang kahit papaano niya simulan ito 'no, parang hindi na 'yun importante or what 'no, pero this person is trying to find some kind of a way kung paano ba sisimulan 'tong usapan na 'to, 'yan. Makikipagkita ito sa'yo 'no, 'tong pag-uusap has something to do with aaminin niya ang lahat ng pagkakamali niya sa'yo. This person right here will eventually tell you na gusto niya rito makipagbalikan at ayusin ang inyong, yeah, to fix this connection here with you. But this person, hindi ka niya mamadaliin with the I will wait for a sign from you. Yeah. Kasi alam niya kung gaano ka niya nasaktan with the I know I mess up everything. Yeah. I love you. Well, I will not lie. This is the strongest energy out of all this. I'm being drawn, I'm being pulled with this I love you. So, kung sino man tong tao na 'to, I'm seeing this person here clearly and transparent. Kung anong sasabihin niya sa'yo, anong emosyon ang ibubuga niya rito 'no, it's all 102% totoo, genuine, real. But definitely, sabi ko nga sa inyo, I'm not seeing your energy right here because this is the strongest energy coming from this person here. Okay? Pero nakikita ko rito na makakaharap at makakaharap mo siya. Okay? So whatever the case may be, it's all up to you right here. Whether you're gonna give in into this person here. If you do, I'm getting this person here will eventually take care and nurture this relationship for real na, for good na. Okay, if you have your free will. Okay, but if you want to stay okay into your situation we're in without this person here in your life, then you can also do that. Okay. But if this reading is yours and you feel connected and resonating to this one, and you're also wanting to go back with this person here, then go ahead if that's what you want. Because I'm seeing that this person here will now take care of you. Okay? Because this person's energy is telling me, okay, that you are now, okay, ang pinaka-importante sa kanya kaysa sa kanyang life. So this is a major realization, huge, big realization right here. Okay. So thank you so much right here. Mga may loves collective, ito ang mensahe ng person ninyo, no? From no contact, there will be contact right here. So thank you so much. Sarang Love and Life. 안녕.